Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Poi Mochi. Poi Mochi is Hawaii's beloved treat, where it is crunchy and chewy. I remember eating these at the fair while walking and enjoying this sweet dessert. It has been deep fried to perfection to satisfy all your sweet cravings. You'll need the following ingredients. If you don't have access to poi, you could always order it online. Below, I've provided a paid link. First, mix together the poi, sugar, MOCHIKO flour, and coconut milk. If you prefer to mix it together faster, use a hand mixer. In the meantime, heat up a pot of oil to 375 degrees. The mixture should have a consistency like pancake batter. Add in more water or MOCHIKO flour to reach the desired consistency. Carefully add in the mixture to the oil. I use 2 spoons, but if you have an ice cream scooper with a trigger release, you can get more of a rounder shape to the Poi Mochi. Flip the mochi after one side has been browned. Take it out and place it on a plate lined with paper towel. At this point, you can be pau, but it is optional to add frosting to it. You'll just need to mix together powdered sugar and coconut milk. Close the lid on the Poi Mochi and enjoy this onolicious recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!